today we're learning about how tomatoes grow. And then they will grow to a tomato. And then there's the green tomato and then a red tomato.
Okay, so show us the first stage.
It's a flower.
So what stage is this?
It's a flower stage.
Okay.
It's a flower stage.
So what are we going to do?
Flower stage. We're going to mark it. And then we'll see next time how it turns into a tomato. Bye. Today, look, we got a little tomato, tiny tomato over there, see? But it's, the flower fell off because the tomatoes now coming. Bye. Do you know why the flower fell off? I'll tell you why. Because the bees pollinated it. And the bees came over and pollinated it. Bye. Hi guys. We need to look for a tomato. Is it here? Oh, here! How did it grow that big? It's so big! And do you know how? Next, it's going to be red. And do you know how it's going to be red? Sunlight! Yes!
So we have to wait, don't we?
Yes, so we have to wait, don't we? Bye! Hi guys! This is my last video. This has grown orange and look how the plant is grown. Whoa! Did you enjoy this video? Bye!